Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your school Chromebook. Many modern Chromebooks are designed to run Android applications, which means you might be able to download and play Clash Royale directly from the Google Play Store. First, you'll need to verify that your specific Chromebook model supports Android apps and that your school's network allows access to the Play Store and game downloads. This is often the easiest and most reliable method. To get started, open your Chromebook settings menu. Look for the Apps section, and within that, you should find an option for the Google Play Store. If it's not already enabled, simply toggle it on. You might need to agree to some terms of service to fully activate the Play Store. Once enabled, you'll have access to millions of Android applications, including Clash Royale, right on your Chromebook. With the Google Play Store now active, open it up from your Chromebook's app launcher. It looks just like the Play Store icon you'd see on an Android phone or tablet. Use the search bar at the top to find Clash Royale. Make sure you select the official game from Supercell. Then, simply click the Install button, and the game will begin downloading and installing onto your Chromebook, just like any other app. Before you dive into battles, remember that school Chromebooks often have restrictions. Your school's IT department might block the Play Store, specific apps, or even gaming traffic. While some users explore options like virtual private networks or VPN to bypass these, be aware that doing so could violate your school's acceptable use policy. Always ensure you're following school rules and focusing on your studies first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.